best of the best electric scooter brands in the market right now na meron buy one take one and low down payment, low interest for everyone with zero down payment sa OFW and seaman abroad. With 2 hours charging time and super fast and long range unit. Super tipid pa kasi dalawang balikan ng Taytay Rizal to Mall of Asia, 80 kilometers na ang katumbas ay 20 pesos lang. Sa motor, aabot ng 130 pesos, pataas yun. Merong Honda, number 1 brand worldwide at Yadea, number 1 sa sales sa scooters na merong 10 million unit sales on the 90 plus countries worldwide. Meron Bitronics na matindi sa safety features. Meron din kaming Yonslan na quality ang mga units. Save as much as 35,000 pesos in a year or 120,000 pesos